Hi guys, BBG here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review of latest make. This is actually a Sew It Academy pattern. So for those of you who don't know, I founded Sew It Academy back in 2016. And basically it's a monthly subscription for all things sewing. The first 13 courses are for complete beginners. So if you have never sewn or are really interested in learning to sew, I teach you everything from the very beginning. Like the very first course, like I go over recommended sewing machines, how to thread it, how to work it. We talk about everything that you need to know, tools, supplies. We work on the first couple of garments together. We do some bags. And then once you get past the learn to sew courses, then you start working on patterns and sewing awesome garments with complete step-by-step sew-alongs. And if you're an intermediate sewist, you don't need to start at course 1. You can literally just join and then skip around to the patterns or courses that are of interest to you. So you don't necessarily have to follow an order. I just recommend for complete newbies to please start with course 1 and follow in order because it is intended to teach you how to sew. But if, like I said, you're an advanced beginner or even an intermediate sewist, you can just join and jump around as you wish. You can cancel anytime. There's no commitment. It's less than $12 a month. You always get a PDF pattern. I don't know why this is not a PDF pattern. You always get a PDF pattern, and all of our patterns come in print at home PDFs. We also offer the copy shop files, especially for the patterns within the last 2 years. And then we also have the projector files that we have started adding to our patterns. So that's really exciting for those of you projector sewists. I haven't ventured there yet, but I am looking into getting a projector just so I can try it out and test it and see how I like it. I don't know. You never know. So anyway, I just wanted to cover that really quickly. I will put the link to Sew It Academy below for you guys. We always have great patterns. I don't know what this hair is doing, you guys. It's just one of those days. Okay, so just ignore whatever this is happening right here. So this dress is one of my favorites. It's our tie-back dress. It comes in 2 lengths. So you could do a midi length, which comes mid-calf, or you could do the mini version, which is about mid-thigh. So I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to show you the video too, but let me first show you the actual dresses. So this is the mini one. Okay, so she's short and cute. And then it has this gorgeous back tie, and it has a waistband facing, an invisible zipper, and she's just a super fun dress, especially for the hot summer months. And then I wanted to show the longer version, so I made it out of this print, which you guys saw in one of my fabric haul videos. So I decided, oh, this would be perfect for this. The long version has a side slit on both sides, but if you don't want a side slit, you would just sew the entire seam, obviously. Or maybe you just want one side slit on one side. So that really is up to you. And obviously it's just a cut line for the length, so you can decide which one you want to do. And of course it has the back tie and front darts, the waistband facing, the invisible zipper. And it's just a great, it's just a fun dress to make. I mean, any print is going to look great in this dress, or I did the little red in a solid color is going to be fantastic as well. Sew It Academy is definitely my baby. I've taught at this point over 100,000 students how to sew, which is incredible. And I just love to continue to make really great patterns for the courses. If you are part of Sew It Academy, you know that Brittany J. Jones is one of my instructors, also one of my besties, and she also does some really great courses in Sew It Academy. So check it out if you're interested. I will, again, like I said, link it below for you guys. And let me show you, I did a reel for both of these, so let me show you the short one. She's cute. Okay, I love this little short view. And then, of course, I wanted to show the longer view for options. And so here is the longer view. And I love it. So if you have questions, leave them for me in the comments below. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace.